Legends of Learning presents the Gears of Time game. This is a math game that makes learning about telling time and writing time to the nearest 5 minutes fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, welcome to Gears of Time, the best clock repair shop in the world. Some trouble-making time traveler has made a mess of the time machine, and now clocks everywhere show the wrong time. As the newest member of the shop, your job is to fix those clocks. It's a time-consuming job, but somebody has to do it. Use the mouse to click the buttons on the clock to change the numbers. Drag the hands of the clock to move them to the right position to create the correct time to move on to the next level. Correctly identify the digital and analog time to match both to complete each task to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.